Hello everybody, RB here, and today we're going to be using Filmora 13's new AI music tool to create the sweetest, most romantic video ever for all you husbands out there. Well, enjoy.
Alright, so for my awesome Valentine's Day video, I'm going to select a few clips here. Now as you can see, I've already put them into a little video, and I've used some of the Valentine's Day effects and overlays and transitions. So now we need music. Audio tab to the AI music tool. We press start. Now we want to select our mood. I'm going to go with happy, and the music duration is about 1:30, so that's exactly how my clip is. It's about 1:28. So generated music count simply means how many choices will be generated, so I've gone with 6. So just to give me a little bit of variety, and then I'm going to click the start button. Now, the generated results can take a little bit of time depending on your processing speed. So obviously, I'm envious of those with fast processors, but we get through it. So you can see the generated results are popping up now. So I've got 3 now. I think number 4 is about to pop up. And as you can see, I've got 5 and 6 there. Let's have a listen. Okay, very formal, wedding-like, maybe a Korean drama-ish feel to it. Okay, try number 2. Okay, poppy. I like it. Bubbly, even. Okay, that could work. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. Let's try next one. Ooh, that's nice. Kind of feels gentle and soft and romantic, but similar to the other song. What's next? Whoa, robotic. Okay, not quite as sweet. Whoa. It's a bit Game of Thrones, that one. Okay, let's go back to my other choices. I like that one, but I think this one is gonna be the moneymaker. This is gonna be the right one. So I'm gonna download that one, and that will go into my generated AI music folder. Now the cool thing about this is that because it's AI generated, there's no copyright infringements. So that's pretty cool. So under my generated, it's simply there as a track, and I can add that where I need it to be, and it perfectly matches it all up. So without further ado, let's have a look at this video using Filmora 13 AI music tool.
And there you have it, the most perfect, sweetest, most romantic video ever, using Filmora 13's AI music tool. You too can create that special tune, that special song, or that special sound for that special someone out there. Have a great day, guys, and see you next time.